So hello guys, welcome to EduTap, and guys, I hope you are preparing really hard for your upcoming examination of NABARD. Now when I talk about the examinations like RBI and NABARD, one thing is common that you have to prepare one topic that is really important are the government schemes. Yes guys, we have seen in the previous year papers of both RBI and NABARD that government schemes are very important for your examination. So talking about the government schemes, guys, it was around 1.5 years back when we have launched a dedicated document for the government schemes, so that the importance of government schemes should not be less. Okay? Each and everything that is important for your government schemes should be covered. So for that we have launched a specific document that is by the name of Scheme Step. Now guys, if I talk about today's lecture, so today's lecture is a surprise for you. Yes guys, I have brought up a surprise for you. So let me show you the surprise here. ठीक है जी. Hello sir. So hello Bhupender sir. So but I tell you one thing, Bhupender sir is not the actual surprise. ठीक है जी. Bhupender sir is a new person. ठीक है जी. When I talk about him, so he is a very prominent person guys, because when we have worked on the scheme step, he was one of the core member who have helped us in incorporating all the feedbacks that we have received from you guys. Okay, so now guys, when I talk about the revampation of scheme step or the feedbacks that we have incorporated based on the feedbacks that we have received from you, I think in the month of February, if you guys remember, so we have launched a very important thing for the revision purpose of the schemes. But do you remember this thing?
Yes sir, I do remember. But students, do you remember it?
This is a great question guys. Do you remember? But if you do not remember, let's first look at the flashback.
We took that feedback, and now what we have come up with this mind map for all the schemes that we cater under our scheme tab.
So now guys, I hope you guys have seen the flashback. Okay? The important thing that I have launched in the month of February along with Diksha ma'am at that point of time was the mind maps. So now guys, if I talk about today's document, still there is a very important surprise. We have brainstormed a lot, and then I will be just in a few seconds I will be disclosing with you the surprise, but for that you have to stay till the end of the session. If I talk about the document, okay, so here we have tried to change a minute things we have tried to change. First of all, you can see the cover page has been changed. We have tried to beautify it. Okay, ji. Then the important thing is we have tried to make this document colorful. So this is one thing, we have tried to make this document colorful. Okay, you can have a look. Bhupender sir, what are your thoughts on that?
Yes, it looks way better. It is more presentable and more pleasant to eyes.
Now if I talk about the important things that we guys have launched here guys. So first of all thing, if I talk about what are some minute changes. So first of all, you can see the what's in news, why this scheme was basically seen in news, that has been covered here. It is again be presentable in a colorful format so that students have an idea when they look at this specific box के यहाँ पे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि न्यूज में क्यों थी वो स्कीम. Then the second thing, as I was discussing, ठीक है जी, that is the mind maps that we have launched way back in February, but now guys we have again tried to rework on these mind maps to make it more precise, more comprehensive and more easy to retain. So here you can have a look at this Agnipath scheme, a recently launched scheme. लॉन्च ये लिखा है नोडल मिनिस्ट्री एम, क्या एलिजिबिलिटी है, क्या क्या की फीचर्स हैं, एवरीथिंग हैज बीन कवर्ड हियर टू मेक इट मोर प्रिसाइज. सो व्हिच मींस जस्ट आपको क्या करना है, देखो हर चीज इज बीइंग प्रेजेंटेड इन अ स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म. इफ आई से अबाउट द डेप्थ कंपनसेशंस आल्सो that are again being bifurcated so that it becomes easy for you to retain. But now tell me one thing, whether this is a surprise sir? आपको लगता है ये सरप्राइज देने आए थे हम लोग यहाँ पे?
No, the surprise
is not a surprise here guys. Now yes, just count 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now let me show you the surprise here. What is the surprise here? The thing is ready to work Agnipath. So ready to work Agnipath is basically a surprise for you. Now we want you to become not Agniviz but NABARD Viz, RBI Viz, SEBI Viz. I think for those examinations whom you are preparing, we want to be the core candidate or the core person for that thing. Now to bring you forward, that what are the things that we have launched, ठीक है जी. So Bhupender sir will be taking you forward. Bhupender sir, over to you now.
So guys, this time we had tried to incorporate and we have integrated the schemes quiz link in this document itself. Earlier what used to happen was the scheme step document was different and the quiz was provided separately, but now what you need to do, you went through the what's in news, then you revised the scheme through the beautifully crafted mind map. Now if you are feeling confident that yes, I can solve the MCQs, what you just need to do, you just need to do a single tap here, and when you just tap here, the specific schemes MCQs will open. Now what you need to do, click on take test, then start test. Okay, so this scheme has 3 questions. So let me quickly finish this these MCQs, and then we will see what happens. Then click on the submit, again submit. Here you will be shown your score. What you can do, you can click here to view the solution, and what you can do, you can also click on the back.
So guys, that's the main key feature. That's a surprise for you. Now you do not have to go here and there. Just remember one thing. Each and every aspect of the scheme will be covered just in a single document. If I show you here, okay, ji? So if I show you here, okay, what you have to do is you just have to do one thing. Now see, just in this single document, each and every aspect of the scheme will be covered. First things are the current developments that you need to remember about the scheme that are being covered here. That why that scheme is basically being seen in news. Now the second point that comes to our mind is how to cover the schemes. What are the important dimensions? What are the things that needs to be covered in a scheme that you can do through the help of mind maps. Now after that, the next point that is able to done is how you have to analyze yourself. So for analyzation guys, MCQs are the best important thing because you have read the scheme. अब अगर मैं बोलूं कि मुझे पूरी स्कीम आती है तो let me test myself also now. So for testing yourself, you have to click here and you will be going to the MCQs. Solve the MCQs there. Try to learn कि जो मैंने पढ़ा था whether I remember each and every fact here or not. So which means when you are preparing schemes, you do not have to go here and there. Just go to the document. Each and every aspect that you have to cover for the schemes will be covered here. Okay? So I think that's it, guys.
Sir, I have a query here.
क्या sir?
Is it for everyone?
No, sir. This is one thing. Okay? It is not for each and every student, guys. It is only for those students who have enrolled to our courses. Yes, guys, you will be able to take this test only when you are enrolled to our courses. So this was all from our side, guys. I hope guys you have liked this specific surprise. ठीक है? So we have brainstormed a lot here also. ठीक है? कि किस तरह तो आपको करना क्या है, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए, दोबारा वापस आइए, go to the next scheme, read that specific scheme. ठीक है जी? Again the same thing is here. Then again you will be seeing the MCQs here. Click here, solve the MCQs and try to analyze yourself. So this was all from our side, guys. Now what we want from your side is give us the feedback, give us your honest feedback that how you have liked that specific initiative. ठीक है जी? And I hope you have enjoyed. Share it with your friends also. So guys, if you guys have any kind of doubt or any query, you could drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. So this is important from our side. Okay guys, I hope you have liked that specific thing that we have done for you. Okay ji? So okay guys, wishing you all the best for your examinations. Keep preparing hard, keep working hard. Bye bye.
Bye.